And good morning, everybody. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and basically making money trading. Let's see. So what have we got going on today? First, let's get into the risk disclaimer. Since I'm in the United States and I've got to do this, I think I'm required by law, and as far as I know I am. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high degree of risk, high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. The CFTC risk disclosure goes like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a risk loss of some or all of your investment capital. If you're hearing a chirping sound, don't worry about it. That is our lovely parakeet, Henry, the Forex trading parakeet. So this is where I am on that current challenge. I'm down $1,300, but that is about to change rapidly today. So if we go to the main, you see I'm up $700 on this latest gold trade. This is in a demo account that's, it says demo right there. It's not real money, it's a challenge. It's kind of like tryouts for a prop firm. So if you pass the challenge, then they fund your account. At least that's the way I understand it. I'll let you know how that works and if that's what's going on. I think that's how that's going on. But right now we're looking at gold. Gold is breaking through to all-time highs again. Broke its 4-hour trend line today. So that's what I'm into. I caught that trade on Friday. I've noticed it was kind of started to bottom out Friday and got into it about $30 above the bottom, and make a little bit of money. ATR is still good. It looks like we've got a reversal coming in with RSI at 76. It's a pretty strong reversal, but I have my stops in at 15, and I should probably tighten them up a little bit more. I could probably get out of this trade now, but I won't. It's still running. And we'll see what it does on the American side. We can see it running to 4,000. I mean, there's just nothing stopping it, especially with increasing. That's the daily chart. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Especially with the lowering interest rates, it's going to initially take a hit, but it's going to bounce back because bond rates are going to start coming up again. And here we have, here we have it. Bond rates haven't started trading for the United States yet in the United States market, so we're not going to worry about those. Let's get straight into Forex. And first, let's go to the DXY and see what's going on with the DXY. It has taken a turn. Look at that. Hit that sell area, and it sold, and it's selling off. So we're looking at a weaker dollar, which means stronger USD or euro, and weaker dollar yen. And when I first looked at the numbers this morning, I kind of figured that was what was going on because the euro versus the dollar got a little perky. Right here, you see it's kind of coming back into its ranges with the trend lines that I've drawn. So that's always kind of fun. So that's whoever called that buy that long last night was, like I said, it was a good one. Got about 40-50 pips. It was a good trade. I was not in on that trade. I've got a little bit leery of throwing 3 trades out there right now in the middle of a challenge. Maybe a little bit later. We'll see. Dollar versus the yen. Again, it's right here in this range. Should be selling off, but it's not for some reason, and that I don't understand why. But we will get into that a little bit later. First, this is something kind of backwards. Let's go back here and let's see what we've got going on today. We've got not a whole lot going on today. Bank of England guy talks at Governor Bailey talks at what is it? 2 p.m. today. It's a little bit late in the day. I'm sure he's going to reassure the British that everything's fine. Carry on, something like that. Pound versus the dollar, getting a little perkier again, but not really perky enough to get into a trade on. So I'm not in this trade. I am in this trade. It's the pound versus the yen, and it is starting to perk up a little bit. I would like for it to perk up a lot more, come into this range again, around 200, 263, let me grab about 100 pips and get out. That would be exciting. I would like that. We'll see if it does that. UCAD, dollar versus Canadian, right in the middle of the range, right at 50 something on RSI, not biting. That's not the trade to get into. Aussie versus the dollar, this looks like it might be setting up, but it's not quite there yet. That's a very strong, what's that, a hanging man, or is that a hammer candle or an evening star candle? At any rate, that's a reversal candle right there. That means it it has a probability of taking off in the other direction today. So that's something else fun to consider. And I started breaking my rules on Friday, no Friday trading and no Monday trading, because one, I'm trading a higher time frame, and two, I was leaving a lot of money on the table. So I decided to come back in here and start trading on Mondays. We have a new candle. It is not red yet, which means it's still going to be pushing higher. I've got a very weak high right there, according to Smart Money Concepts. And again, no sell-off area indicated at all, which is just phenomenal for gold. Starting to widen again. The Bollinger Bands are starting to widen a little bit more, so I'm not going to get out of this trade. I'm just kind of maybe reinforce it, go in a little bit higher, but I don't want to risk too much on that. So I'll probably just leave it the way it is, because I do need to win that challenge, because I'm tired of still looking at the same challenge for a long time. I get bored with things very quickly, and if I'm in something for a long time, I like to see that change. Silver, look at that. Silver is pushing $44 an ounce. All-time high on that is $49.09, set back in 2011, I think March 2011. Oh, let's take a look at it real quick. Monthly, and see when the all-time high was. All-time high was right here. Oh, it's not $49.09, it's $49.58, and that was done on April the 11th, or April Fool's Day? No. Well, in the month of April, we'll go that one off. Daily. Of 2011. Which would be way back. Oh, that's going to take me too long to do. Oh, well, sometime in April 2011. I'll Google it later if I want to, or ChatGPT it, or Grok it, or whatever we do these days to get information. So it's 43.75. Very impressive on silver too. Again, breaking out of the trend lines. Not really anything holding it back. Looks like a good day for silver too. So if you're in gold and silver, or hold a lot of silver like I do, like this one right here. See, that's a peace dollar. Investment grade peace dollar. Here's a Mint State 70 Silver Eagle. I do hold a lot of silver physicals. So that's always fun too, to watch that value of that go up. And that's where we stand today. We are kind of gathering what to do with this. To go. Let's look at the currency strength meter just for grants. This does not really constitute much of anything. I've noticed is that when the Japanese yen is way up here, nothing else is really changing in those crosses. I'm not finding a whole lot of validity in using this as a tool. It just gives me an idea, but again, it's not something that I would really use as a tool on that. There it is. That's the tab I was looking for. So with this one, we are again back down on that one, but then we are almost to the lull between the British session, the London session, and the New York session. So trading kind of drops off there for a little while, goes kind of flat, and then it perks back up again around 9:30 when the American futures market opens, and then everything starts trading again. So with that, we're going to stop there. I'm looking forward to bringing the stop loss up into a positive territory when this trade starts going. I would definitely like that. Let's get back out to here and see what we're doing with that. And yes, we are catching a reversal right here. Fingers crossed. And also bouncing off that trend line. That's the daily. This is the 4 hour where I make my decisions, and it is right on that trend line. And it's starting to come off of it. That could be a reversal candle right there. Could also not be a reversal candle. There's a chance that is a sign of a reversal, and I'm looking forward to it. So you guys have fun today. I have to go to my day job, so I'm gonna let you go. If you like this, if you have any comments on this channel, then on these videos, then by all means comment. I'm more than happy to share information with you. If you like this video, then like the video, and if you really like the channel, then go ahead and subscribe, and you'll get updates all the time. Well, you guys have a great one, and I will talk with you later. Bye.